all this up in there.
There's letters too.
When I put my head up.
That's not that one.
No, I did.
Whoa, oh, oh, da 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 da, oh, oh.
Back what he is missing. My elf magic happens when you are good. So I listen to your parents like you should. So I keep your magic alive, your elf safe.
So to keep the magic alive and your elf safe.
Keep your hands to yourself for goodness sake. If you are
For goodness sake.
You'll find me each day in a new place having fun or waiting to play.
Look what he bought us.
And as Christmas nears, open your eyes.
It's a gold medal.
Open
Medal.
your eyes to the sky and hear the reindeer with your eyes, your elves.
That's his ears, baby. So it says, open your eyes to the sky and hear the reindeer with your ears. Your elf, Mr. Ernie.
And he's bought you pancakes for breakfast.
And medals.
Do you want to find number 1 on your advent calendars?
What you do? Where's yours?
Da 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 da, oh, oh, da 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 da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories.
Mummy, can I take Ernie in the car? Then can I swim to my seat and then you can take it home again?
Yeah, if you want to.
I want to.
It's the way you might get a headache if you wave him like that. Hello, Ernie. Say hello, everybody. What did you say just then? What did you say to me? Today's what?
It's Ernie's day.
No, you said it's the best.
Day
Yeah.
of Ernie.
You okay, Darce? Yeah? At least you've had your breakfast nice and early today, so you don't have to rush around. I don't think Ernie wants to go on Ronnie. Why don't you go to your bed, Ron? We will have to move these calendars because he's already sniffing around. I'll put them all up. Or I'll shut the door when we go to school. Beep beep. You can't that's not yours. No, he's trying to open this. Ron. We got you some treats, didn't we, yesterday? Hi guys, so yeah, welcome to Vlogmas Day 2. So it's actually the 1st of December today. So obviously our elf arrived that you saw in the footage this morning. So I've just dropped Darcy and Ollie to school. So hence why it's nice and quiet in the house. Excuse my bare face. I'm actually just trying to decide how I want this morning to run. Because I actually need to go to work. I just work up at the kids' school just for an hour. It might be a little bit longer than that. So I need to be there for about 10 to 12 and it's currently 20 past 9. So I've just scheduled the video to go live today on my YouTube channel. But I need to clean up the kitchen. I do want to try and do a workout so I can have a shower and get ready to head up to work. But I need to have some breakfast as well. And yeah, my kitchen's a bit of a disaster. The front room's not too bad. I'll just show you. I won't do I I won't like show you me cleaning or anything, but I might just do a quick before and after. So yeah, the dog's just down there snoozing. We've got a desk to build later for Darcy's room. Obviously I've got shoes just all over the place. Not too bad out here, just everyone in this house doesn't know how to shut drawers. But the complete disaster, this is like in every one of my videos, I always show you, like, look. So I need to sort all of this out. I need to do this before I do a workout. And then I'll just switch the washing over. More packages there, so that's the shutters for Ola's room. Tom fitted the ones in our front room yesterday, but because our window is so big in the front room, it took him forever. I think he was getting a bit stressed out with it in the end. But yeah, it's done. It looks lovely. I love them. So he's going to put Ola's up this evening when he's home, and then obviously my house all matches. I've got my shutters, which I'm really happy about. I love them. So yeah, hopefully we'll build Darcy's desk as well, and then that's her bedroom almost done, to be honest. We just need a radiator cover. So yeah, I'm gonna do a before and after for the kitchen. I'm gonna do my workout, and then next time you see me, I'll look a little bit more presentable. Oh, it's been a minute since I've been on, but yeah, I've had a pretty successful morning. So done my workout. I've actually just prepped some lunch. I've just made some soup that I'll blend up when I get back. Ronnie is snoozing. I need to shut him out of here in a second. I'll just pop his bed in the hallway, just because we've got the advent calendars, and he has been known in the past to destroy the advent calendars. So yeah, I'm gonna head out in a minute. I've done a little bit of cleaning in the kitchen. I'll finish up when I get home, but I need to find my marriage certificate for some of the checks, and you would think you keep an important document safe. No, not in my house. I can't find it anywhere. So yeah, I'm gonna hunt for that and then head to work, and I'll be back in about an hour. But yeah, obviously I don't really know what we're gonna get up to in these vlogs, because we are still currently in lockdown, which ends on the 2nd of December, so tomorrow. So obviously the day you're watching this, but the area that we live in, we're going straight into tier 3, because the cases are quite high, I think, so the risk is higher, so we're going into tier 3. So obviously we can go for walks and things like that, but all the Christmassy things that we would usually do, we're not going to be able to do. So yeah, the vlogs are you're probably gonna see us a lot more at home, but I mean, it is what it is. Regardless of what we need to do, we'll just make it as obviously special as we can for the kids. So yeah, I'm quite enjoying, you probably can't pick it up very much on the camera, but with the shutters now in the window, the glare isn't as bright in the front room. Usually the sun will be streaming straight through, which I do like, but just when sometimes you'd have to kind of like tilt the blinds, but they block out in a good way quite a lot of the bright light. So yeah, I'm really liking the shutters. But yeah, I'm gonna head to work now. I need to find this marriage certificate, so I'll check in with you in a little bit.
I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights, so you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, oh.
So that's lunch. So I'm back home now. Yeah, I made my soup this morning, and then all I needed to do when I come home was blend it up. So I've actually got enough Oh, Tom will probably take some as well, but I try and make just like a bigger batch, and then I've got 3, so obviously this will either I'll have this for the coming day's lunch or Tom can take some to work. But I just quite like making soup, especially this time of year because it's so cold. And then I need to get some more, but I've just eaten mine with some Ryvita crunchy rye bread, and it has sesame seeds. The box, excuse this cupboard, this is my most unorganized cupboard, but yeah, that's what the box looks like. But I've got 2 packs left, so when I pop to the shops that will be on my list. So yeah, I've just got that soaking, obviously wash it up later. I've got rid of the dishes. I'm just going to let them cool and then I'll be able to pop them in the fridge. And yeah, I'm just going to take 10 minutes or so, maybe 20 minutes while I eat my lunch. And I'm going to switch the washing over, and then it's about 25 to 2 now, so I don't have to get the kids for another hour and 25 minutes. But they've written their letters to Santa, but we need a stamp so that we can go and post it. So I think we're going to do that tonight. So when I pick them up, I need to go and get a stamp from somewhere. That's something I never have, because I cannot remember the last time I needed an actual stamp. So I'm guessing I'm gonna have to go to the post office to get that. So we'll see what their mood's like. Maybe if I finish my lunch before and I've got a lot of time, I can just go on to the post office and then we can go and post the Santa letters for them. But yeah, I'm just gonna go and eat my lunch now. Ollie, what? Look at me. See, straight home from school is freezing, but he's got an ice lolly. And show me your sticker. What does it say? Well
done.
It says,
Well done.
keep still because it won't focus otherwise. That's it, keep still. There we go, well done. What was that for? You're reading? Yeah? Good boy. Mummy is very proud of you. Good boy.
Did you get a sticker?
I didn't get a sticker. No, did you get a sticker today, Doris? No? How was PE?
Fun and also kind of boring.
Oh, nice. So we're going to go post your Santa letters, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want to come put your stamp on your letters?
I want to.
Put this on the front, don't be silly though. Right, I'll show you. So this is Darcy's.
This is mine.
So
I'm gonna put the sticker
peel that sticker off.
What sticker?
The stamp, sorry. And then you've got to put it in that square there. And put it in that square. Oh, wrong way. Oh. Like that. Olive. That means it's going to get to Santa. Santa's Grotto, Reindeerland. And put yours on. Let me get some sellotapes you can stick them
I put some sellotape.
Right, that's it. You hold it down. You can help Mama, yeah? Come on then.
Here you go.
Oh, hello. What are you waiting for?
Ma!
Come in, Ollie.
Making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do.
Yeah, I think I want celebrations.
You want celebrations?
Where's number 1? Oh, right there.
I reckon I got this.
Oh, I like this bar. What's the gold
What's
to
the
the
scanner for? What's it for?
Maltesers. That's number 2, so we know for tomorrow. Oh, I found number 2. I cannot show you.
Not yet, my man. Not yet. So I think I'm going to end the vlog here. We're just getting tea ready, aren't we? So Dabby is fitting Ollie's shutter. Are you going to have a shutter in your bedroom?
Yeah.
Yeah? Got to look after, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, so I would have shown you what I was making for tea, but there's boxes everywhere. So it's a bit chaotic, so I'll do that in tomorrow's video or possibly the day after. But I really hope you enjoyed Vlogmas Day 2, and we will see you in the morning. Yeah? So don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and subscribe if you're not already, and we'll see you in the morning. Bye!
Ooh, if I spend it with